maglalaro tayo ng United Fling game. Parang Fling Things and People ito, pero mas mahaba yung pangano nito. Ito, mas mahaba pa yung reach. Tsaka ito, hindi siya gano'n maganda, pero malaki yung map. Sino to? Look, I'm lagging right now. How? Ano to? Why wag mo akong hawakan? Hey yo, why did he? Ikaw, nag-flex ka ng muscle. Wala ka namang muscle sa totoong buhay. Katulad ko. Ay! Akin na yung kotse. Ano to? Ay, anong ginagawa mo? Anong ginagawa mo? Oh, sorry. Oh! Wala. Oh, I'm lagging right now. Look, ano yun? Yo, what? Let me spawn my gigantic. I'm this. Hindi, mali. Close. Tsaka lilipad tayo. Oops, summer. Bangga, bangga, bangga. Loh. Do not hurt my baby. Joke lang. Sabi kong joke lang. Ikaw ba, mag-get out kita? Do not touch me. Do not touch me, guys. What are you doing? This girl is saving me. I'm lagging right now. I'm lagging. Yo, what are you doing? What? Oh, yes. I beat the world record. I need to get now. Oh my god. What are you doing? Try. What? What wrong that? I will gonna kill. I almost fell. What's this? Are you throwing it? Huh? Akin tong donut. Donut King. Yo, what are you doing? What you been doing, guys? Ning, 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 ning. What is this? A new house? Oh, what the? I need to spawn something. Oh my god, this will gonna take for long. Never mind, I have that. This is what I have. What the? You not gonna buy that. Who's that? Yung astig nito. Kukuha ako ng kotse na yan. Yo! What are you doing? To the little donut. At lilipad tayo. Naano ko nga itong lalaking to. I didn't expect that so long. Ooh, Buddha. I need this. Shoot. By the way, I am Filipino. Wala, lumilipad na ako. What are you doing? Do not do that. Okay? Do not. Oh!